is dead. The Mega is gone. And you're asking me to be cool? Do me a favor. Kill yourself!
I heard you're getting short on Hong Kong staff tonight.
Just downsizing. I like a lean operation. You ready to hold up your end?
I told you I would. But if you touch one hair on my Tico's head...
Don't threaten me. Worry about you. So, here's how it's gonna go down.
Don't be in a rush. You got to see my museum. It adds a note of class to my business.
I didn't fly here to see a freaking museum. I came here to see one thing.
My operation. It's part of it.
Duh. I see them. Handle it. Our new partner brought trouble with him. 2 guys, parking garage.
Let's head down to the party.
According to the map, this is the place. I'm guessing he is the penthouse guy.
Wong wants me to keep him in the loop. I'm still undercover. I gotta keep him thinking I'm his guy.
Long as you know the difference. I'll take the lower level. You head upstairs. Any sign of Tico or Bailey, let me know.
Ja, wieder mitten im Gefecht. So, mit dem was? Das? Haben wir noch einen? Müssen wir es weg. So. Probleminger. Sonst noch wer? Oh, jetzt sind sie beruhigt. Da haben wir nochmal gescheit Glück gehabt. So, dann nehmen wir die Schrotflinten. Nächster Checkpoint. Was war das? Aha, ein Shootout wieder. Ist und Dorn. Mit einem Kugelhagel. Granaten und so gibt's da nicht. Oh, das war nix. So. So, jetzt ist noch ein Ruhe. Dann noch ein paar. Wo kommen denn die alle her? So. In die Schnauze. So, da muss doch mal Ruhe sein.